Good morning, class. So today we're starting our new topic. Our topic is equations and inequalities. So we're looking at examples for exercise 4.1 on page 72. So this example 1 is on page 71. Also on 72. Okay. So the question says solve for x. Now you guys have done equations before, not so? We've done equations in grade 9. We did equations in grade 8, somewhat in grade 7 as well. Okay, where they all put you a box and then they ask you to solve or to fill in the numbers. All of that is your equations, okay? So this exercise 4.1 basically to the revision of what you have done in grade 9. Okay, your linear equations. So where do I start here, people, in pursuit of solving for x here? The sum is 5 into 1 minus 3x minus 2 into x minus 10 equals 10x. Or negative 10x. Get rid of the brackets, not so by multiplying out. So 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times negative 3x is negative 15x. We get rid of that brackets. So that's going to give you negative 20 plus 2x is equal to negative 10x. So what do I do thereafter? X is one side, numbers other side. Why? Because it is linear. What makes this a linear equation is because the highest exponent of x is 1. Okay. So I keep the x's here, so it's negative 15x plus 2x plus 10x. Remember, bringing this negative 10 over the equal sign. Okay? 5 is going that way and negative 20 is going that way. So that is equal to negative 5 plus 20. So negative 15x plus 5x is negative 13x plus 10x is negative 3x is equal to 15. Not so?
Yes.
What do I do thereafter? Divide both sides by negative 3. That cancels, so x is equal to negative 5. Okay, who doesn't understand? You all understand? Okay. Now we're going to example 2 on page 72. Example 2 on page 72, it says solve for x if possible. Here, they just told you to solve for x. So here it might be that your solution doesn't exist to us. Not so? So let's go with this here. What do we do first? Get rid of the brackets. There's negative 3x plus 3 equals 12 minus 3x minus. What do I do now? X is one side, numbers on the other side. So that goes on that side, number on that side. So negative 3x plus 3x is equal to 12 minus 9 minus 3. So minus 3x plus 3x is 0x, which is 0, equals 0 here. Not so. You all agree with this? Now,
like when you're moving the numbers and the...
Yeah, because we're having the x is one side, there's the x. Otherwise we bring that x over. So I'm keeping the 12, so the 12 sign doesn't change. I'm keeping the negative 9, because I took it nowhere. But because I brought positive 3 over the equal sign, that's why it became negative 3. You understand? So now you have 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so if that is the case, Zara must look here now. If that is the case, if 0 is equal to 0, we then say it's an identity. So all true values for x or of x. All true values for x. Which means to say any x value you choose will work for this equation. Let's give it a try. Let's try x to be 0. It's going to be 0 minus 1, which is minus 1 times 3 is 3. Can you see that?
Yes.
I put 0 through here. It's going to be 4 minus 0 is 4 times 3 is 12, minus 9 is 3. Okay, choose another number. Give me another number for x. 10. Nice. So 10 minus 9. 10 minus 1 is?
9.
Times the negative 3. Negative 27. You put negative, what's it? 10, huh? That's it. So 4 minus 10 is negative 6. Negative 6 times, sorry? Negative 18. Negative 18 minus 9? Negative 27. So whichever value you choose for x, it will work. So make a note here. If x, if you got an equation and you got 0 is equal to 0, then you write all true values for x. Okay. That's the first thing I need you to make a note of. Secondly, if a 0 is equal to any number, if 0 is equal to any number, you work out your equation and you have the x's cancel, and you got 0 is equal to minus 6, or 0 is equal to 8, then you write no solution. Or no value for x. Yeah, you write no solution. Or no value for x. Those are the two cases. Okay, but x can be 0, no? Not so? But if you got 0 is equal to 0, all true values for x. That becomes an identity. So any value you choose for x will work. If you got 0 is equal to a number, any number, then no solution. You can choose any value under the sun. That equation will never ever balance. Okay?
My apologies for the interruption. All grade 12 learners who wish to donate blood, if you can please do so now. Please report to the hall. And Zara Jacobs, if you can please report to the office. Thank you.
Okay, do you guys understand? Any confusion there? Okay, there's another sum there, no? There's a third sum. I didn't cut that sum. I'm going to pause the video at this point. No, I did cut. Right. So that actually ties into the second scenario I gave you. I thought I didn't give you one of those, but I actually did. Just pull this up, and I can do the sum. Then we can do. Then I can use it as an example as well. Okay. So this is example 3, and this is on page 73. So then that exercise is not on page 72. On 73 is. Why you guys lead me into the astrometry? Right, that's on page 73. Or you want me to make mistakes like this? The sounds of it you want me to. Right, so let's go here quickly. Remember that note? So where do we start, people? This is example 3 on page 73. What do we do first? Get rid of the brackets. The brackets, yes. So let's go with it. That's going to give us 5x minus 10 minus 2x minus 2 equals 3x minus 15. So I'm going to keep the x's on one side. So it's 5x minus 2x minus 3x. Can you see that? Equals negative 15 plus 10 plus 2. So you see that cancelled, so it gives you 0x, which is 0. You see that? And then negative 15 plus 10 is negative, 5 plus 2 is negative 3. So what do I write? No solution. Okay. So let's choose a value for x. 0. Nice. Nice value you choose. No? So I go 0. What? 0 minus 2? Negative 2 times 5? Negative 10. No? So 0 plus 1? 1 times negative 2? Negative 2. Which is negative 12. Put 0 through there. 0 minus 5? Negative 5 times 3? Negative 15. Can you see that equation is not balanced? You can again choose any value under the sun. you will never get the solution. The equation will never balance. Okay? You guys understand? So once again, if 0 is equal to 0, it's a pure identity. All true values for x. If 0 is equal to negative 6, no solution. Okay? Or 0 is equal to a value, no solution. Okay, I'll stop the video at this point.